Roof leaks? No problem. There's nothing more annoying than a leaking roof. In addition to the inconvenience, roof leaks can cause more serious problems. Unexpected hazards of a leaky roof include increased utility bills and wasted energy, interior mold and mildew issues, health concerns from mold, fire hazard from water damage, attic and ceiling damage, and compromised structural integrity. If not properly addressed, a leaky roof will lead to more expensive repairs. In addition to visible water leaks, here are other signs to watch out for. Stains on the wall or ceiling, unpleasant odors, dripping sounds, curled shingles, mold and mildew. Keep in mind that some leaks are difficult to detect and can silently destroy your property. That's why you should get your roof inspected by professionals regularly. See any signs of roof leaks? Protect your investment with the right roofing contractor. Call us at 813-542-8462. Affordable Roofing Systems, where quality and experience matter.